SACHAJUAN is a brand that's been creating a buzz in the haircare world for its high-performance products. But before you hit that buy button, here are 7 things you need to know. This will give you a clear picture of what to expect when comparing it to other brands in the market. Stick around to the end for a special offer to try SACHAJUAN completely free. The first thing to know is that SACHAJUAN is not your average haircare brand. It's known for its Scandinavian minimalism and results-driven formulas. While many brands focus on a long list of ingredients, SACHAJUAN stands out by using its own ocean silk technology, a blend of proteins and minerals derived from sea algae. Compared to many competitors, like Redken or Olaplex, SACHAJUAN doesn't overwhelm you with a massive ingredient list. It's all about simplicity and effectiveness. Next thing, SACHAJUAN's product range is surprisingly versatile. Whether you have fine hair, thick curls, or color-treated strands, they've got something for you. The products are designed to tackle common hair concerns like dryness, frizz, and lack of volume without weighing your hair down. I've tried their moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and they left my hair feeling nourished but not heavy, which is a common issue with many other hydrating products out there. The third thing to consider is the fragrance. SACHAJUAN is known for its light, clean scent that isn't overpowering. Many high-end hair care brands lean into strong fragrances that can be a bit much, but SACHAJUAN keeps it subtle, which I personally love. It's one of those products that leaves your hair smelling fresh without interfering with your perfume or cologne. Now let's talk about pricing. SACHAJUAN isn't the cheapest brand on the market, but it's also not the most expensive. When you compare it to high-end brands like Oribe or Aveda, SACHAJUAN falls in the middle, offering professional-grade results without the luxury price tag. It's definitely an investment, but given the quality and the effectiveness, many find it worth it. The fifth thing you should know is that SACHAJUAN products are cruelty-free. So, if you're someone who looks out for ethical practices when choosing a brand, this is a big plus. In a market flooded with options that aren't always transparent about their practices, SACHAJUAN is upfront about being free from animal testing. Next, SACHAJUAN's ocean silk technology makes it ideal for people looking for high-performance products that won't leave residue. Their products are great for styling too. Whether it's their hair mousse or styling cream, they add volume and hold without the sticky or crunchy finish that you get from other brands. So, if you're after a natural look with just the right amount of structure, SACHAJUAN has your back. And the final thing to know before buying SACHAJUAN is that their products have a long-lasting effect. I've noticed that the results actually improve over time, which is rare in the haircare world. While many shampoos and conditioners give you instant results, SACHAJUAN works with your hair over time to keep it healthy and hydrated, so the benefits are cumulative. This is a key differentiator when comparing it to brands that focus mainly on quick fixes. If you're on the fence about trying SACHAJUAN, you can actually get the best offer and try it for completely free by clicking the first link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience top-tier Scandinavian haircare and see for yourself how it stacks up against the competition. Make sure to click that link and get exclusive benefits today.